There you go, now it will be working better. So I was saying good morning to you all. Hope you're doing very well today. We're going to update Bitcoin and the alts as always. We're going to start with Bitcoin first. And yeah, do a bit of a summary of what's happened since the last update. So the last update was on Wednesday, so it was before the pump. We've got the FOMC really at night, 8 PM for me, UTC +1. That gave the pump really here. Went into our first resistance. Okay, so very quickly here, we went into our first resistance. We've got a bit of a consolidation in it. First of all, so we've got a DNPOC also that I deleted, so it was around the top of this box here, around the swing through part of these highs. So we've got a DNPOC, weekly negative path control, as I said here in Discord. Very simply, more likely new local high is going to be made because we have a big bullish CVD and no big longs to trap really yet. Okay, so it was at that time. You can see there is a DNPOC here. Normally the microphone should be good now. I'm just gonna check really quickly into the settings if everything is sound. Yeah, normally the sound is okay. It's not too loud. Perfect. So yeah, big bullish CVD, no longs to trap. So we did got the consolidation, a bit of a move down here, as you can see, a bit of a continuation there, but massive pump here, big green candle to break this. So new local high was made. From here, as I said, well, this is a strong breakout. It's bullish unless these big longs are getting absorbed and we get the demand to reverse. We've got absolutely nothing all the way down here. So as always, if you get a bad reaction and we still drop like this, you first look for a retest into a target really. If you get nothing bearish into that retest target, you look for a swing through or a failed option of the top, and if nothing here, you look for the next target. As simple as that. Inside here we've got a bearish reaction, so pretty lovely reaction there with a lovely drop, and the value high here was our take profit one that we've got really overnight. Yeah, so perfect. And here during the night we just went a little lower, flipped this value high into resistance, so now we can do a complex approach of this. So go below, flip into resistance, fail the drop, reclaim, flip to support and pump. For example, if we're in a double wave 1-2-1-2, that's something possible. Now yeah, I'm not going to be interested in this long trade. I'm already long from lower, I'm short from higher here, so for me there is no interest in any of this target really where we are at the moment, and I would prefer to wait for lower to come if I have to take a long, okay, personally, but I'm not going to long up here personally. So yeah, pretty lovely reaction from the short target. You can see here from the retest target plan yesterday, we're already down, yeah, almost 2%. It's not crazy, but for day traders this is pretty nice, not gonna lie. So we can get rid of this, we can get rid of this, we can remove the DNPOC here too. Let's go on a daily time frame as always, see if there's any new daily level. By the way, we're the last day of the month, so tomorrow or on Monday we will have to update the monthly levels with the weekly levels by the way on Monday. So here there is no daily level. We can come back on the 1 hour and go on exo charts. Where's exo charts? There, here. So what do we have here? Naked session path controls at the bottom here. We have 3. We have already 3 on the chart. We've got these new levels yesterday, so not this daily and naked session path control, but we've got this DNPOC, naked session path control, and the TPO level just below here. That you pause the stream to check at this, or I'm going to move the screen in any case, but well, if you want to check this, you can. So 105,090. Okay, and the next one is the current session, so we don't care. 105,230 for a TPO. Sorry again if you hear some noise in the background. These are some cats playing right now. And we have another, well, one DNPOC here, 105, 162.5. 162.5, right. Yes. Alright, so pretty, well, nice resistance with a lot of level at the same place. But it's pretty low still. They're on fire. Yeah, I'm not really looking for this. Well, in case you missed the short yesterday, you can pray for a retest to come back here and another drop and see what's going on there. Is it bearish on the order flow? Yes, and take the short trade. If not, well, you can look for a new high to be made, to be fair. Okay, just read the order flow. This is going to tell you if you have or not to execute the trade in there. If you go up, above the path control here, and do not swing through upon that top, new high. As simple as that, really. So to speak, break this for now. Okay. The thing is, if we do a new low, bit of continuation, and then reclaim, the volume is going to be pulled on the bottom there. So the volume is going to change. You can see already at the bottom, the value low is already there. Now, if we rise directly from here, this is a process really on the lower time frame. If you miss this short trade, where we can look for a retest. Okay, going this. So all this really. And see what's going on there. If we reclaim this lower time frame high, it is more likely going to go for a new local high again. Okay, but yeah, I'm not interested in a short here. I'm already short personally. So if we reclaim here, let's plan a few shorts, a few possible shorts here. If we reclaim, okay, so to speak, if we break this resistance, get acceptance above, we look for a new high to be made. Due to the high we formed here, I would look for an SFP now. Before, I was saying in this target, if we get acceptance high, we did not get acceptance, is not getting acceptance high, this is rejected. If we get acceptance above this target, we're likely going to go for a new all-time high. Well, now the thing is, we have a new high made here, so we have, if we come back up here, to look for an SFP of this top, and this top. If there is no swing through pound or failed auction of these, then yes, we're going to look for a new all-time high. But now, as we've made a new high here, we have to be aware of an SFP of these highs. Okay, very important. This is the only resistance I can see. If we break above, we can look simply for the wave 5 targets we have planned. So 1618 and the 2618 here of the wave 5. So we have 111,700 and the next target is 100. And by the way, I'm gonna move this a little bit more, boom, 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 on the left so we can see the price. 125,700. These are the two targets. Again, there are some zone of price from the fib to a little higher. We're going to be more accurate once we will get the data approaching the fib. Okay, but for now, these are the price. Shall we go higher? And we have the targets on the lower time frame with a level chart. Now, with the support, let me see, right. Okay, so let me just... I think I'm not going too long the retrace. I think the confidence is just really bad at the moment. This one, okay. Well, we have a bit of a support there, to be honest, but like all this. That will be the only two support I can see. The best way here to get the value low. Or an SFP of that. I don't like the support there, to be honest with you. Or yeah, we'll have to see what the reaction really like in the time. Yeah, well, we have this first possible long trade, okay, of the path control, latest uptrend path control and the anchor view up from the bottom here, with a few levels below here. So we can, for example, go through the target, flip to resistance, fake the drop, reclaim, flip to support and pump. flip to support this target, by the way, so I completely did something wrong here. Flip to resistance, fake the drop, reclaim, flip everything into support. Okay, this powerful trend is encourage VWAP, and come back up. So this is something possible, but I will not place limits on this. I will definitely see what's the reaction down there, and if this is lost, we can look for the daily, but I mean, no, look more for the bottom here, the 61AC, well, 66% value low SFP, that will be the best. Okay, in between here, we have a lower time frame swing through. That will be maybe for a complex approach of this bottom here of the target, but yeah, this is a pretty complex retracement too long, to be fair. So yeah, these are my two long targets: path control and correct VWAP. Complex approach into these levels. Daily naked session path control 618 not interested. 66% yes, with the value low and the swing through pan failed auction. So come down here, get the long trade. But yeah, I'm not really interested any long in these, to be fair. So if we go back down here, okay, we do break these targets. I'm gonna leave this on the chart, but I don't really like that anyways. If we come back below, flip resistance, come back below, flip the resistance, we're going to go for a new low. So if we go for a new low, we can simply trade again this very important and very key value low level. We just have to trade this, right? So if we go below, we look for an SFP of this bottom or a failed auction, and if we stay a little bit below here, so for a failed auction, we look for a complex approach really of the value low into the 6% for example. Take the lows, flip to resistance, come back down again, manage to reclaim, flip to support, pump, or just go below, fake the drop, manage to reclaim, flip to support, and then pump directly like this. Okay, yeah, otherwise a simple approach, just swing through pan below, come back up directly and reclaim. Okay, and if there is nothing in this 6% again, we can bounce off the weekly level, but I'm not going to be interested in long down here. If we go below the 6% the most likely to go take out the lows really. Okay, unless we reclaim the weekly naked path control 6%. If we do so and manage to get some good data of this move up, then yes, I'm gonna look for a reversal, but otherwise, as soon as we're maintained below and we don't get anything bullish on the order flow, I'm expecting a new low to be made. Okay, so this is a process and the plan really within this section of the chart. With a wave, now we can move on this, I think. We have two different configurations, either an impulsive here to the upside, so a bigger impulsive really into the white wave 5, either a white wave 5 completed as we have done a new all-time high, and this move up here, the latest move up, it is possible that this is an impulsive, an ending, sorry. So like this, okay, we have a 5 waves in there like this, and so in that case, a wave 5, so this one here, the white wave 5, have 5 waves, it's possibly completed, right? So if we have to drop, then we can look for a nice, just gonna move by the way this into the lower time frame one. We can look in that case for the bigger wave 3 to be completed, and so we can look for the bigger wave 4 already, right? So if we're in the bigger wave 4, we can look for a bigger retracement. So here we have already a triple wave down, so we can look for a bigger here WXY, for example, WX, go through the long targets, go through the value low, go through all the support here, go down to the weekly. If we don't really hold this, and if we go down here, I will not be surprised to not hold this, we can look for this Y wave here to play out, and so we can look for this WXY, take out all the lows here. The best will be to go and swing through pan this bottom, and from here get a nice reversal for the green wave 5. That is the last push to the upside before a bit of a longer correction, not gonna lie. Okay, so this is going to complete either the yellow wave 5. Okay, so massive crash next, but before to look for a massive crash, we can take such configuration where we are still into the yellow wave 4, because we have this possible wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so these blue 5 waves complete the bigger wave 3, and so we can look next for the bigger pullback for this yellow wave 4. Okay, and then next for another wave 5. And if we do not hold this wave 4, as simple as that, we're going to look for, in that case, this configuration, and so a much more bigger drop. But this will be confirmed by time if we hold or not as support a few targets we're going to plan later. Okay, we need to get this latest push up here to plan this. So yeah, that's the plan. So either this kind of big WXY down, either this bigger impulsive, depending on if we, for example, drop, continue down here, depending on if we hold this support or not. If we do not hold it, we can look for the next one. If we do not hold it again, we can look for a continuation. And very key target here, which we have to hold this very low, make a complex approach, maybe. But if we don't, well, then it's gonna fall for more likely a new low, and so in that case we're going to take the green wave already. So yes, we plan up and down, but we're going to recognize which one we're going to do for the time, if we hold or not the support. If, for example, we hold this and we manage to reclaim, flip that into support, reclaim, you know, all the lower time frame resistance, because if we come back down here, we're going to print some new resistance. If we do not swing through upon the highs, very simple, then we look for a new all-time high. So it all depends. Oh, there we go, the first cat is here. Hello. Yes, so I think we're done for Bitcoin. Sorry if you hear some noise in the microphone. Jeez. Oh, wow, what are you doing? There you go. Bitcoin, we're done. We can go on the outs. I'm spotting right now. So XP are still looking for another drop. Personally, that would be nice to make a bit of a, no, not a keyboard, please. Just a bigger triple wave like this. Come back down and massive increase in price. On this, we'll have a possible 100%, so to double the investment. So that's pretty nice. XCN did got an increase in price. The second one is here, typing on the keyboard also. So the second one here, so we've got an absolutely perfect entry on this. Already 77% bounce, so this is just pretty crazy, not gonna lie. Oh, she's watching the stream on the left screen right now. Oh, this is me? Or what? She's watching the stream. Yeah, so if we come back down here, we still have this buy zone, of course. We can look simply for a bit of a longer wave fall, so a bit of a bigger triple wave, unless we start breaking this last target there. Please, not the mouse now. Yeah, but for now, it's looking good. Okay, unless we come back below here, this is in that case a triple wave, but for now we are holding, so I don't want to see the price coming too low here. Otherwise, yes, this is looking good for higher. If we go for a wave 5, we can simply look for the following targets there on the chart. I deleted this here, no. So you can see here, if you pull the normal extension tool on the normal scale, well, 261 is there, so we're definitely in a massive extension. So what we have to do here is simply pull the extension tool on the log scale. Okay, don't forget to tick the setting here, style, fib level, you can see this, yes, fib levels based on the log scale. Click this and you simply have to add the MC extension, 618.71.786, boom. Which one made a new high? 786 plus an SFP here, so this is very simply the first target. If we break above this, we can look for the 1-to-1 extension, so around 0.065, and if we break above here, we can look for some much more bigger and higher targets, but this is if you go on the normal scale really far away, so please do not wait for these targets. These right here, the two here, if we have to make the wave 5, looks a lot more probable. Now if we get something extremely strong here, we just break everything. Again, we can go a little higher and then come back down, so watch out and pay attention to the smaller wave also. This is very important. In any case, I'm going to keep you updated, but if we do this, for example, over the weekend, well, normally I should be here, to be fair, this weekend, but oh, you're back. But yeah, for now, these are the targets. If and only if we break above this and really get something strong to the upside, we can look for this next target around 0.12, and if we break above this, we can look for the next one that is around, well, this is pretty high, 0.37, so this is pretty far away. We talk about an absolutely crazy increase in price, a 1,000 increase in price, so let's not think about this for the moment. Sorry, just stay realistic for now and think about this too. Okay, but already from the target and the level we have planned, it's already almost a 200% if we go to the max target for the moment. That is not the real max, but well, still for the moment, to stay realistic, this is a max. Okay, so in any case, this is a plan on this one. I just want to let you know, looking still for the same. If the wave 4 is in, we can look for the following targets. The targets are new. This was not planned in the last update. What are you doing? Wanna come here? Otherwise, we have FARTCOIN. I wanted to short this daily level plus the anchor rate view up. I really wanted to short. You can see there is an Elliott here, but you can see a short. if I have to, of course. But we did not touch that target, so well, let's remain a bit patient, see if we can come back up again. So get, for example, a triple wave. But I'm gonna plan maybe a few support there down there to ride this long. Bitcoin have to be bullish if we have to get this long also at the same time. But yeah, this is a good target. If we break above this, we'll have to see tomorrow, well, Monday, if we have printed some new monthly levels above here. We'll see, maybe we'll have some confidence with the Valera high. For now, we don't, so the only short target is this. Otherwise, we can look for the 61866% and the weekly level right here. But yeah, for now, this is only target. Let's see on Monday what we have, if we have any new monthly level or not. If we have to long the retrace here, we can look simply for what? Let's see on the daily time frame. We do have one daily really far away. Okay, let's come back on the 1 hour here. Pull this, boom, pull this, and there we go. We don't care. Sorry. Yeah, well, the best will be to go into this. Is it well placed at that one? What time frame was this before? Let me just add this path control here, that is very key. Look. POC. Ah. There you go. 1 hour, and yes, so this we can get rid of that, and the best will be to come inside this path control and this value low here. Approximately like that. Valera low. Yeah, this is a possible long. I will really wait for Bitcoin to be bullish, because otherwise this is not going to bounce. Bitcoin needs to be bullish when we hit this. And there we go, we've made a new high on that one. So let me just update that, the resistance real quick. 15 minutes. Boom, boom. Yeah, well, it's the same, to be fair. This is the same resistance. You can see the path control is still there, so this is still the same. Where is my coin here? I mean, for my coin, FARTCOIN here. Perfect. So yeah, this is, oops, the only long target I can see. Maybe, for example, I move down. Well, reclaim here into this Valera high. Where is the volume on this? Yeah, around this zone, or really high into the path control here. Ah, possible. And this will come really, yeah, into the Valera low. So yeah, if you want to show that early to get a bigger triple wave down like this, can look for this Valera right here, Valera low, and the previous uptrend Valera high zone. Really, if you break this, can look for that. And if you break this, well, you missed the long really, and you go for the higher short already. But these are the two lower time frame targets. I'm gonna add some alerts there, see if we can get some scalps in this. And then we can look for a long down here, added the alert, and there we go. Millennia is just dropping. As I said, I'm not interested in this. I don't care about this coin anymore. I want to see some sign of strength. Don't even know what happened on Trump. Nothing, is just dead really. So yeah, the best to is not to trade this, is to not trade this. Link, not interested. And you've got a year that is absolutely, that was yesterday, by the way, overnight, no, yesterday, on fire. You can see here the increase in price is just pretty insane for a day, 32%, that's nice. So hopefully we're going to hold this. That was for the reclaim of the what here, the range low. Well, we're at it right now. You can see we went simply, instead of getting the, well, we did got this on the lower time frame. Okay, this move down, reclaim, flip to support, as I was explaining the last update. Go down, reclaim, flip to support, bounce. And here we've got this, but enable with Bitcoin, and boom, 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 continue down really here. So in that case, we can remove that. Oh, the second one is here. Hello, hello. And not the keyboard. There you go. And so, where we went exactly here? We did took out the lows, or this is a, yeah. Oh yeah, remember we did took out the lows. And what I wanted to do on this? Okay, so let me just update this thing very quick. Let's remove that for now. Get rid of that. Okay, yeah, let's move this down there now. Oh, that's nice. Well, yeah, now we have to hold this value. Again, I'm gonna wait because this is a very quick move up. I'm gonna wait for the 5 waves to be completed. The only problem here, because I already did a few TAs on that, on my side, of course, because I was spotting this. Yeah, I mean, I was watching this yesterday. The problem is if we do form here a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, well, just gonna move down the right, or maybe a little high, so we don't get this here. The problem is here we can get, and the signal is coming. The one is watching. One wants me to pet her. Yeah, it's moving. She's playing with this wave 4. Oops, with a wave 4 right now here. No. Who's typing? Nah. So here, the premise here, it can be a flat, so to speak, an A, a B. You can see we bounce exactly from this 123, 127 fibs, the white and the pink one here. And so in that case, that can be a correction 1, 2, 3, or 5 for an ABC. For an ABC here, so A, B, and a C, A, B, C, and boom, continues to drop again. So we will have to be a bit careful on the retrace if again we get the 5 ways up. No, don't play with this, please. Look. Yeah, but in any case, I'm gonna wait for the 5 ways here to be formed, and once we get this, once we get this, we'll see the retracement targets. Okay, but just be aware of these. We can start now to form some 5 waves. We just have to see if we form or not these 5 waves. As simple as that. If, by the way, are we still already in the wave 4 or not? Right. Nah, the keyboard, please. 1, 2, took the fib, yes. 2. She's rewatching the stream right now. You like it? 2, 6, 1, 8. Right, so if we're still in the, already in the wave 4, we can look for, no, not the wave 2, the wave 4 here. We can look for this. So, well, normally one more new low, right? And so we can look for that because we look for a triple wave. 1, 2, 3. No, for just one quick move down and boom, it's possible. Because we do have some possible small wave not done, but if we're into this wave 4 already, we can look for this MC fib 38.2 and the wave 5 next. And a year here, so if you pull the levels on this, yeah, this is pretty far away. Yeah. Let me add. Don't play with this. And this right here. Yeah, this is low. Yeah, nice. Look at this. There you go. We have our target. This is really low. Oh no, what the fuck? This is exactly on the target. Nice. Well, there we go. We have our our perfect level target. So well, all this here, and we can look for another increase in price. I'm gonna set an alert on this. Boom. Yep, there we go. Not more complex. So there you go. We have the possible wave 4 target here with the levels a little bit more accurate. So let's see what's the reaction down there. Metis, that would be nice. We got a bit of a push to the upside here, but well, nothing really crazy at the moment. So let's remain a bit patient. And otherwise, I think that's it. I'm not looking for some other coins at the moment. I saw. No, please. Ah, what are you doing? What are you doing? So reloaded the tab, right? So it was XCN here, right? Yeah. Good. So I saw, let's go on, yeah, no, I'm gonna keep that one. Let's go on this. Yeah, there you go, here. We've got a lovely increase in price on that one from the bottom there. So, well, by the way, the update was on Wednesday. So on Wednesday it was around here, if I remember correctly, around the path control. Yep, 10 AM, there you go, it was exactly here. We've got the rise into the first target here. So normally this was the first take profit. Got a bit of a retrace and a nice continuation. So now we are higher. We really have to hold this high as support. Well, what we have done, you can see already. This is a crazy line. You can see here, we just, jeez, I cannot place the thing correctly. There you go. You can see we go above and flip everything into support, come back up. So now of course we can do something complex, so to speak. Go above, flip to support, and pump and fake the pump. Go below, bam, bam, bam. This is something possible, but well, we'll see what's happening there. Otherwise we'll have the nice targets above. So pretty lovely. You can see how the levels are really, really well respected. That's pretty nice. I should pause the music. Why the music is not working anymore? What? Just 1 second, please. I don't know what happened. 1 second. Right, sorry. So yeah, this one pretty lovely. Then we can look for the next target if we have to go above. Ah, wait, she's playing with a cable. Alright, sorry again. No, now the second one is playing with the things. Oh my god, we won't be able to continue the stream. Don't. So yeah, this one here, we're done. The targets remain the same for high. Otherwise, you can go and check out the last update for the high time frame. Oh, you're back here. And that's it, I think. Wasn't really looking for some other coins. So let's see if we have any requests at the moment. Pop out the chat. Good morning to you all. All right, just 1 second, please. Alright, sorry. Oh, now the camera is buggy. Let's do this again. No, I don't want to. There you go, better. Yeah, so let's check out this. So good morning to you all. If you have time, can you have a look at ACT Go WIF? Yeah, sure. Hi. TEMA, FARTBOY. FARTBOY, there's another one. You've got FARTCOIN here. And AWR. Alright, so let's go with ACT. I'm not sure I have some... ACT, okay, let's have a look. Where is this? No, it might be an else. Oh. All right, let's Yeah, nice. Okay, then this looks like yeah, gonna take this one or this one here. Okay, MXC is better, and we have baby there. Nice. So let's take this whole thing here and keep the baby one, and there you go. So what do we have there? Right. Right. That's way too big for a wave 4. Let me see if we zoom in here a bit. 1, 2. 1, 2. Wow. Jeez. Yeah, so it looks like we're in an ABC zigzag to the upside, to be honest with you. Not if I was impulsive, I really struggle to count 3 or 5 in there. And the problem is here, well, if you take this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so to speak, 1, 2, 3, that wave 4 is pretty massive. Like in terms of time, you can see the size of this wave 2 and the size of the wave 4 here. This is absolutely massive. So I don't think that we're in this wave 4-5, to be honest with you. Yeah, this is really the zone max we can go. We cannot go really below that otherwise. Let me just add this here. Key 0.11 7. There you go. So this right here is a zone really where you can look for an accumulation, but I really don't want to see the price going below this. If we lose this target, this is not this anymore, and this is definitely in that case an ABC zigzag to the upside. So A, B, C, and so if that's an ABC, we can look for the lows to be taken or a bigger and higher time frame W, X, Y. Okay, so yeah, for now let's keep the wave 4, but this is pretty massive, to be honest with you. Yeah, this is really massive. We're going to get some more accurate targets with a lower time frame wave, so let's put the extension tool there, and this is definitely extension there. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, well, let's take that for the moment. Let's go now on the lower time frame. So what do we have there? Sorry, I'm not talking much. I'm concentrate on the chart here. So this 3, 4, 5. Right, so it looks like we have an ABC zigzag down here. Yeah. So 5 ways down here. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so we'll be able to play some turrets more accurate than this than normally. So let's take only here the 123. I'm just gonna, is it well placed? 1, 2, 3. There you go. So well, this whole thing is a buy zone really. This right here is the fib below us, but I want to add a few smaller wave turrets because sometime on a higher time frame is not really well respected. So here we do have the 5 ways down. Can't really find out how, I mean, yeah, how is the wave, but anyways, 3, 4, 5. So let's put some smaller wave there, and let's put the fibs. So wave 1 root, wave 1 bottom, wave 2 top. That is there. Yeah, alright, so we stay on the 120 extension, right? Okay, so let's pull this wave 5 like this, and as the wave 3 is less than the 1618, the second click, sorry, is going on the wave 3 top. And yeah, that brings us with the same target below here. Wait, can this right here? The last push-up looks way too big for this to be valid. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, yeah, so this is a target. We've got this, but this is not really well respected, so let's keep that one. Yeah, well, for now, this is a buy zone, this is a fib, the most important one, and we'll have this one in conference, so a little bit below the key level. So this is a target. If we go below this, we're going to update that, but for now, this is yeah, this is a zone really we can look for. And then if we reclaim, well, we'll update this later, because if we make a new low again, we'll print some new levels. So yeah, we'll have to update this once we've got the low, if we get the low. Do we have anything bullish right now? Triple wave up most likely. Yeah. So yeah, this is it for that one. And so next, hopefully we hold the wave 4 for high, right? There you go. Wave 4, and then we can look for the wave 5 increase in price, or in any case W, X, Y, if that is a real triple wave here. Okay, there you go, my friend, for ACT. GOAT, I didn't check that one for a while. I remember doing some TAs on that, but yeah. You can see there are some very old things here. GOAT, and this is Bybit. Yeah, so this is a really old TL. So is it the one you're looking at? Yep. All right, so let's 3, 4, 5. Just changing the music really quick. There you go, better now. What is going on? Why my music is changing alone? Anyways, pretty weird. Don't know what happened there. You can see here again, you've got this is a nice approach against the level. Go below, flip the resistance, fake the drop, reclaim, flip to support, bounce. Let me show you that again. This on the, well, if you reverse that, go below, flip the resistance, fake the drop with a retest or a new low, it depends. Reclaim, flip to support, bounce. That's a level approach, right? Pretty perfect. We can remove all the things. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or maybe a 4 here. Yeah, well, let's take the 5 ways there. Okay, so if we got here an ABC zigzag, it's a 5 ways correction. 5 wave, so in that case, if we do another drop and an increase in price, then we have another correction 5 ways, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that case, we have a 5 ways correction, 5 ways correction, 5 ways. What is leading? Let's go with this. So wave 1, an expanding leading. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, or 5. So we go from smaller wave and we expand the move to bigger waves. You can see here, not normally like the leadings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We go with bigger wave and we retract, raise a move. Here it's an expanding, so we start with, well, small move and we expand the move, and we never with a wave 4 break the wave 2 steal. We do not do this, for example. We do this and this, so we expand the move, and here we normally, that's normal leading, that's an expanding leading. Yeah, so if we have the 5 ways up here, we can look for either on a higher time frame an A, B, C, boom. Well, yeah, let's put this red still, and otherwise, if we're really bullish, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yips, 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 yips. And let's turn this into another green. This one, I like it. And so normally something much bigger here to the upside. Yeah, so let's remove this. We don't care anymore. Bam, bam, bam. And so now the thing is to find really what is this drop with a pattern now. So let's go and zoom in and see what we have. Alright, so I would say W, X, and Z. Yeah, let me just draw that here. So W, X, Y, X, and Z. Where is the top there? 50%. It's fine. Okay, so W, X, and a Y down there. So we can pull this extension tool, W root, W bottom, X wave top, correction targets. Let's move this on the right. Perfect, and there we go. So we have yeah, so we are the 1618 already on the log scale, so this is a very key target. Let me just 0.18907, boom. There we go. Yeah, we're below this, so we don't care. So we have these two targets where at the moment, so this one is a 1620 on the log scale, and this one is a 1 to 1 extension on a normal scale. So not the best, but anyway. So now the thing is to find the confluence with this. So what are the smaller wave? Normally the most probable is to make an ABC zigzag into a Y wave. Let me just place this. And boom, so here. Right, so A, B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some crazy fireways again, to be fair. Yes, I will refer to this, to be honest. Yes. Yeah, like this. Boom. Nice. If we get a breakout of this to the upside, it is more likely completed here. Because we do have the fireways in the wave 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that's a crazy wave 4, 5 again. It's pretty crazy. Let me just have a look at this. Alright. I don't like this shape, to be honest. Well, we can look for something that if we break above here with a really, well, we get a good breakout, we can look for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we do get a fireways, we can look for a bigger, well, A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so in that case, the B wave and the wave 2 are more likely completed. In that case, as you can see here on this draw, we will get a fireways up, but a retracement, and so we're going to catch this retracement to push higher next. Okay, that's the plan. So best is to remain patient, not try to catch a falling knife. Now if you prefer, we are at the 1618 on the large scale. This is a buy target, so if you want to, you can buy it. Now again, there is no any financial advice. You make your own decisions. You do, really. Okay, not saying you have to buy here. If you want, this is a target. If you go below, this is the next one. The second configuration is a wave 1, 2 with a WXY or ABC flat here. This is a wave 3. We're going to do the wave 4 and another move to the downside for the wave 5. So let's turn this into red, so we can do the two difference. 3, 4, 5. There you go. Nice. So yeah, that is it for that one, really. We'll have the targets, we'll have the different wave configuration. Now we just need to remain patient, see if we manage to form the fireways here or not to the upside. If we do so, then we're going to plan, just pin me in the chat, and we're going to look for this wave 1, 2, and buy the wave 2 retracement here. Okay. There you go for gold. Where is the chat here? WAF. Where is that leading wave 1? This is U4, yeah. For this one, yeah, it can be for an A wave or for a wave 1. WAF. WAF is there, no? Oh, it was when? Yeah, it's not in there. So WIF. I don't know if this is below here or really above. Might be here, yeah. WIF. So here, Oh yeah, okay, yeah, it makes sense now, because this is not possible to finish with a WXY only like this. So here comes a longer correction. So this was indeed a WXY, W, X and Y. Perfect bounce from this target, by the way. Let's go with some red wave. Boom. A little bit bigger than that. A little bit smaller than that. Perfect. So WXY into a Y wave. Let's change the color of that. Why this is red? Oh yeah, much better now. 3, 4, 5. There you go. So if we finish a Y wave with a WXY, this is impossible. I mean, yeah, this is not possible. So we have to make a longer pattern, right? So if we have to make a longer pattern, we have a WXY, we can look for the WXY XNZ, I place it on the chart, or I don't know if I say that in the last update when it was there, but we can also look for an ABC flat. So we have to look for a bigger correction, so to speak. Everything except a WXY, so ABC flat here, for example, if we take the previous high. Went for a new all-time high? No. So we can look for this big ABC flat if I manage to click it. No, it's time for the delivery. 3 stops away, so let me just see where it is right now. So I might not be able to do all the TAs today. So let's pull some some red wave like this. I'm gonna change the other wave. So let's turn this into green. Green. This is blue, by the way. Blue. Blue, and let's turn and change this to pink. There you go. Nice. So ABC flat, how could you find the target on this? Well, very simple. Pull the retracement tool, A wave bottom and A wave top. That is there. Boom. At the flat targets. And there you go. You've got a bit of a front row of this, but still you can see this 105, 113 or some B wave retracement target. It can go up to this. Right here, 123, 127, and this right here for the next wave. Again, can we be in a WXY like this? If we're in a Y wave, the answer is no, so this is definitely an ABC flat. And so you can see here, we do have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, right? So that's pretty cool. So now the only thing we need to do is to place this this ABC flat, targets, and to buy these targets. As simple as that, really, DCA in there. Again, you do whatever you want. No financial advice, but this is how to use it with the other way, right? So you've got the first target here, but we don't care anymore. The 120 extension, and you've got the perfect bounce. You can see right now from the 123. How lovely is that? So this is a first target right here, and there are no other targets, by the way. So let's pull this. I don't really like this. Let me just see. Not sure I'll give something to premise if this is an ending or let me see if that's an ending or 305, 103. Oh wow, this is insane. Oh, missed. But anyways. Okay, so yeah, if we take this right here, we can pull that here but that will be pretty far away, right? 38.2, yeah. So yeah, this is a fib. If we go more down, we can look for this 38.2 of the wave 5, and that's it really. We cannot go below that. Yeah, these are the two fibs on a higher time frame for a buy. And what is this? This is a Y wave W XY. Yeah, for now let's stay with this. This right here is still a valid target, that one no. This fib here below is still valid, to be honest with you, because that is a Y wave target. So well, we're the one-to-one extension still. That's pretty nice. Let me just add one more target. So we have 3 targets, to be fair. This one is a little bit below. Let's move this on the right. There you go. Yeah, so we have 3 targets. And then, should we go to the last one here? We can look for, if you go for a new all-time high, 1000% increase in price. This is pretty decent, not gonna lie. Oops. So yeah, this is a plan on that one. Just gonna check where the data at the moment. Pause this and let's go on. Oh, I don't have the tracking anymore. Well, I don't know. He'll call me if he's there. Yep, so we're done with that one. Not sure we have the data. Oh, we have the data on that one before too. We can get rid of all this. We have some levels below there. Yeah, well, that will do the job, to be honest. My pleasure. TEMA, FARTBOY, AWR, what is it? Well, there are some new coins. I'm gonna check, but I'm not sure. This is on the right tab, yeah. There's some. I am live still, or is a connection bugged here? It's TEMA USD. What the fuck is this? So I already have it. Let me see. Alright, I already have it. I can't remember when was the last update on that. In December, the 30th of December. So let me have a look at this. When was the 30th of December already? TEMA. So it was doing the drop here. Okay. Why is series activated? Alright, so this was a first possible long trade upon the reclaim here of this range low. Well, we didn't got the reclaim really, you can see here. You went below and just got a flip to resistance of this. Unable to get acceptance, so you can see this is, we try to, but we are not holding this as support. We even come back below, bounce for a long target next. Flip again into resistance, the range low. Well, these are some pretty cool levels and a pretty cool plan we've got here. That's pretty nice. So no reclaim, no long at the top here. Flip to resist, so this can be deleted also because it was, I guess, a take profit if we have to take the long. When below here into a long target, flip at the range low into resistance. So this is of course a take profit one. Maybe also you've got a few more confluence. Yep, there you go. To this. So let's pull. Oh, I'm gonna be a bigger time frame for us. Yeah, there you go. So you got this kind of well, value area low, I encourage you up, range high here. Value area low first, this will have been the first take profit for me if I had to take that, I mean the time. And this is more like a fake. You can see again, this is again the typical level approach. You can see go above, flip to support. You can see we flip to support, break, flip to support, fake the pump, not a new high, just a retest. Go below, flip to resistance, continuation, always the same, again, and again. You can see this is approach. It take a bit more time, you can see, to make the retest at sometimes, but we still have it. And we get the nice continuation to the downside. This is pretty perfect, this approach, not gonna lie. So, yeah, anyways, I guess you've got some, if you got another retest here, some targets, but now the thing is to update them. So we are, well, we've got to bounce again, no wave. All the targets we have planned, we've got to bounce. First one, 100%, and this one here already, we've got to bounce before 200%, and we're bouncing again off that 100%. Wow, this is pretty crazy. Let's get rid of that. Let's keep that for now. Let's remove that and get rid of this too. Boom, 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 boom. Monthly time frame. No, weekly. Well, monthly. Yes, we do have one UA that will be printed tomorrow. But we have maybe no. Okay, so let's add monthly. There you go. Weekly. Yeah. Weekly. We have another one there. And that's it. Alright, so let's see what resistance we're having now. Yeah, well, that's a pretty decent race, not gonna lie. Okay, look at that. Yeah, well, this is the wall resistance, really. Now, the best way to come up here, but let's encourage you up, is still part of it. So, yeah, I'll be aware of this, more likely. Now, of course, before that, we, of course, have some resistance to plan. E.g. this value area high. But let me see. Yeah, nothing up here, and this is coming there. Yep. So please, before, if you dig too long on the target of plan, just be aware of this one here. Okay, this is important. This is the sign of strength, really. If we get acceptance above this, well, we can just reverse. If we get acceptance now above this, okay, we can look for a continuation up to this with, of course, please don't forget this, I encourage you up. But also, there is no confluence to this, but it's like this wall zone we have to be aware of. Okay, now I'm not going to add it because this is the best target, but be aware of the encourage you up still. So yeah, this is the plan, really. If we break this, look for this next, and if we don't break this, well, that is a take profit, and you can, well, try to catch the retest if there is a retest. Now all the way down, to be fair, now we did got a bounce from the last support we have planned, so can we plan some more supports? Yeah, to be fair, we're into the accumulation zone right now, so let's go with this fib if we go more down. There's a 618. Tick, 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 tick. Let's get rid of that. Boom. This is our next target. Shall we go more down? There we go. FARTBOY, I definitely don't have some TAs, except if this is a FARTCOIN. But otherwise, I don't have TAs on this. I guess this is the thing. That's pretty clean, not gonna lie. Not pretty clean, but there's a massive difference between the two here, you can see. Like, if you pull the extension tool from here to here to here, you're gonna get some targets. Look at the placement of this triple first. Well, if you take the fib, you pull it from here to here to here. You can see we touched the 1-to-1 and got a bounce. If you go on this, place here to here, place exactly the same, we are into the MC extension. So which one to trust, I have no idea. And this is the exact same thing here. Yep. I have no idea, to be honest, which one to take. We have the volume on this. Alright, well, let's take this one then. Okay, yeah, let's take this one. So let's, well, don't forget the other one. I don't know which one to choose, just based on the volume. This one is better because we have a little bit higher here. The other one is really everything at the low. So, well, this is the first target, right? If we go below 1-to-1 extension, it will place it. Here, and there you go. 1-to-1 extension and the 123. Yeah, so now the cool thing is that we do have some fiveways here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we do have some fiveways, you can look for, in that case, a bigger, as always, A, B, C. Let's go with some red wave as always, and otherwise a higher time frame. 1, 2, and boom, 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 massive pump. Not like really massive pump. Yep, so there you go. The higher time frame. Either just one push up with some fiveways up, so to speak here. 1, I don't know if this is the bottom, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fiveways here for the C, or much more bigger fiveways up for an impulsive 3, 4, 5. Only time can tell. Once you've got the lower time frame fiveways up, once you've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can look for a bigger wave 1, 2, buy the wave 2, or if you want to be aggressive, simply buy the dip, really, catch a falling knife, this is up to you, and then 3, 4, 5 to the upside. As simple as that. And if you don't get a fiveways up here, a fiveways up here, so to speak, another wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but you get, for example, or you get a fiveways up here, but to continue the downtrend, how is it possible? Because you're going to form here an A, B, C zigzag. So for example, you're going to form a bigger triple wave down like this. In that case, you pull the extension tool from here to here to here to find the last wave targets. And in addition to this, you can pull the triple wave here from here to here to here extension tool to find this lower time frame targets to add in confidence with a bigger wave target. Okay, if you don't understand anything here, just go on the website, sign up for free, go into the course section head there, and just go and check out the yellow wave course there. It's free. I mean, half of it, but you have all this in there, so you can understand really. Yeah, so I'm gonna do it like this. Boom. No, not that. There you go. Yeah, so the plan on this one, AWR. So it's the same, I guess. Yeah, man, this is just impossible to do some TAs. I mean, there's no retracement, there is absolutely nothing here, so yeah, this is not possible to do some TAs on that. Let's have a look, but I mean, yeah, no, this is, no. Can't do some TAs on that, there is not even some retracement, so can I even pull some fibs or something? more or less which one to take. Everyone here is different, so you cannot do some TS on that. OORT. Hold the delivery. Swear I cannot see where it was 3 stops away. Now I just cannot see anymore the tracking. It is. Oh, 1 stop away. Well, yeah, well, I'll have to stop. Let me just OORT USD. Normally I have this already. Yep, so let's find this real quick. One stop away, but it's that far. Oh, is it bugging or? Let me just check at this again. 1 minute. Yeah, normally I have some time. Yeah, I have some time. It's 1 stop away, but it's pretty far away, so it's fine. We'll have time. OORT. So what? I just cannot remember again. That was a while ago. This one too. Yeah, it was in September. Well, yep, that was there. Front run by his way of the target. Yeah, 123. Okay, not perfect. Front run of this. Right. So here it was supposed to be an ABC zigzag down. That's another thing. Well, yep, there you go. You've got the A bottom with a front run, small front run of the target, the B, or along the B. Yeah, I know it's coming at that time. What A and B. Can do something longer as always. We're on the higher time frame, so we are in some big waves, so it can take some time to make a bigger triple wave before to come back down to complete this A, B corrections and C. Now we already got a correction to the upside most likely, so C wave down, right? So it's X wave. Let's get rid of that. I didn't. But we took the lows here. So let's get rid of that. How to start a new count, by the way. Yeah, so this is a plan here. Either an ABC down. Okay. The premise this day, there are some coins that have done this 1 2 1 2 and then explode to the upside. Well, to do a big wave 2 like this after this kind of wave 1, yeah, it is very unlikely to be fair. So let's plan the targets on the way down here. This is the best thing to do. Just buy the targets and we'll see later with the data we're going to print, because there are too many configurations. Here, bounce off the MC extension. First, second, third move. Wave this. And there you go, my friends. We'll have the targets. 350. So I'm not going to update the wave because I want to see an increase in price and see what we form from this increase in price. And based on this, we're going to form a plan, because right now we have just way too many configurations on a higher time frame. This is not very useful, to be fair, to plan anything here. We need to get something a little bit better. Well, yeah, let's keep it like that. So MC extension, we're below now, so we don't really care. So we can look for the 1-to-1 extension here. Oh, there you go. Hello, you. 123, and they're back. Yes, it's a little long. I'm coming. So 3 targets: 0.08, 0.056. Yeah, and the next one is 0.012. Okay, these are the 3 targets we're having below. From these targets, either wait for a 5 ways up. Once you've got this, we plan the support by the support targets, and we look for a bounce, maybe just too high and then drop, maybe a big continuation. She's playing with the cable again. And if you don't get a 5 ways up, well, you can look for a continuation down to the next tips. I will have to stop because they're back playing with the cable. So, and the delivery is approaching. It's in less than 10 minutes. Yeah, in 8 minutes. So I'll have to go in any case. Yeah, that's the best thing to do in my opinion. The 3 targets. All right. Yeah. So 3 targets below. Either wait for the reaction. Either buy the dip, right? So. Sorry, so yeah, either buy the dip, either wait for the bullish wave to form from these FIB targets, and then buy the retrace of this first bounce we've got with a good wave. Okay, just gonna come back on my, it was XPR that is there, so I can see and buy this dip if I have to buy this dip. Please, if this one is dropping, okay, if this one is dropping here, the best way to wait a bit, see what's going on there, because if Bitcoin is massively bearish at the same time, it's very likely we're going to get a continuation down. Okay, so please be a bit careful with that one, but it can still give a very good return. Just wait a bit for Bitcoin. Anyways, on this being said, thank you all for watching. We have some news today at 2:30 UTC +1, so be aware of that. Core PCE, personal income, and personal spending. So I don't know if this is moving the market or not. Core PCE maybe. There was ones I can't remember, but yeah, we have this. So just set an alarm. What I'm going to do, by the way, and see if there is. Just come 5 minutes before, check out the order flow, and just wait for the 30 really to come in, and at 30 see what move you're having. Oh yeah, you want me to pay you, but I'm coming. Please don't destroy my my all things here. Yeah, so take care of you, have a nice weekend ahead, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.